Hello, this is ESPIN Adam. We're happy to assist you with the upcoming presentation. Let us know if you need any help, and we'll be glad to be of service. Angular TypeScript, Mastering Modern Web Development. Angular TypeScript include explore what they are, how they complement each other, and why they have become indispensable in modern web development. Here are key takeaways from this topics. Understanding Angular. 1. Angular is a popular open-source front-end framework developed and maintained by Google. Launched in 2010 as AngularJS, the framework has evolved significantly over the years. 2. Angular's primary purpose is to build single-page applications. This approach enhances user experience by providing faster load times and smoother transitions between pages. Key features of Angular. 1. Component-based architecture. Components are reusable, self-contained units that encapsulate HTML, CSS, and TypeScript code. 2. Two-way data binding, allowing synchronization between the model, data, and the view, user interface. When the model changes, the view updates automatically, and vice versa. 3. Dependency injection, allows developers to manage and inject services and dependencies into components seamlessly. 4. Directives, extend HTML by adding custom behavior to elements. 5. Routing, enables developers to define routes and navigation within the application. Introduction to TypeScript. 1. Statically typed superset of JavaScript developed by Microsoft. Introduced in year 2012 to address the shortcomings of JavaScript, particularly in large-scale applications. 2. TypeScript extends JavaScript by adding optional static types, interfaces, classes, and other features that improve code quality, readability, and maintainability. Key features of TypeScript. 1. Static typing, allows developers to define data types for variables, function parameters, and return values. 2. Type inference, automatically infers the types of variables based on their initial values. This feature strikes a balance between the flexibility of JavaScript and the safety of static typing. 3. Interfaces, define the structure of objects and enforce contracts in the code. They ensure that objects adhere to specific shapes, promoting consistency and reducing errors. 4. Classes and inheritance, allows developers to create modular and reusable code with clear hierarchies. 5. Modules, enables the organization of code into separate files and logical units. Synergy between Angular and TypeScript. 1. Unified development experience, both streamlined and robust, reducing the cognitive load on developers and allowing them to focus on writing high-quality code. 2. Enhanced code quality, leads to cleaner, more reliable code that is easier to debug and maintain. 3. Improved developer productivity, allows developers to work more efficiently, reducing the time spent on repetitive tasks and minimizing errors. 4. Scalability and maintainability, makes it easier to scale applications over time and maintain a high level of code quality as the project evolves. Why Angular uses TypeScript. 1. Enhanced code quality, catches potential errors during the development process, such as type mismatches, missing properties, or incorrect method calls. 2. Improved maintainability, TypeScript's support for interfaces, classes, and modules, allows developers to create well-structured and modular codebases. 3. Better tooling, suggests possible code completions based on the context, real-time error checking that highlights issues as you type, and automated refactoring tools. For scalability, these features facilitate code reuse, abstraction, and encapsulation, making it easier to scale Angular applications. Benefits of using Angular TypeScript. 1. Type safety, helps catch errors early in the development process, reducing the likelihood of bugs and improving code reliability. 2. Code readability. Allow developers to create well-structured and self-documenting code, making it easier to understand, especially in large projects. 3. Modularity. Allow developers to organize code into logical units, improve maintainability and facilitate collaboration within development teams. 4. Enhanced tooling. Significantly boost developer productivity by providing immediate feedback and suggestions as you write code. Challenges of using Angular TypeScript. 1. Learning curve. Need to invest time in learning these concepts, which can slow down initial development. 2. Complexity. Need to strike a balance between leveraging TypeScript's capabilities and keeping the codebase manageable. 3. Build process. This adds complexity to the development workflow, requiring developers to ensure that their build process is efficient and well integrated. For version compatibility, developers must stay informed about changes in both frameworks, regularly update dependencies, and test their applications to avoid breaking changes. Thank you for watching our presentation. We hope it was valuable and informative. For questions, contact us at info@espincorp.com or visit our website. Thank you again and have a great day.